Another YouTube video. It's saying charts here today, and I'll just be giving an update from the previous video we had just about a week ago exactly. I think it was about a week. So today it's currently 8:28 p.m. and today is today is the 7th of June 2025. It's Saturday and I'm currently at work, but I decided I was going to do this at work. I'm currently free. I have nothing to do now, so yeah. So here is a closer look at the Euro Japanese yen trade. So the last time I was uploading or I uploaded this video, I think we were around here. Okay, so just at that level right there, and I had re-entered the third trade setup for that. However, um, I added another trade. I added another set of trades for this fourth set trade setup. So we're just going to wait for. Initially, I was going to wait for the market to close above this, but after I saw the first trial and then I saw that the market was coming strongly bullish, especially when this was on the 5th of June. Okay, so I could see this, I could see the market coming on, and I just placed the buy stop order just below this level, and yeah, that's where we are. Um, and then another thing to take note of here is that I had initially placed my TP1 just here. However, when I looked at it critically, I could see that this level, even though it was formed after I had entered this trade, would be a very nice spot to take my first set of profits. Okay, so I made some adjustments for each trade setup, each of them, and I took close some partial profits for each of them at TP1. So my stop loss still where is it? Um yeah, so it's still where it's at. Okay, where it was right from the start. So stop losses are still intact. I've not tampered with any stop loss, and we're just gonna wait until price and see if price is gonna get to TP2 level. So once if price gets to TP2 level, then and only then can I move stop losses to break even. So in fact, I'm going to move all of my stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, yeah, somewhere here, basically just this level, 164,193. Anyways, that's that, and then I'll close more partials, and that will just be it. The trade will be locked for that, and then we'll see if price is going to hit the third take profit level. Okay, so that's it for JP or Euro JPY. Nothing fancy or anything. I'm just waiting to see how that goes. So the next trade I talked about was Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and you can see exactly where we're at. We were initially here. As at the time I posted this the last video, and basically it's just a waiting game. Not doing anything special. I'm just waiting to see what the market wants to do. Does the market want to go back and hit stop loss? Does the market want to come down, go to TP1? But I'm just waiting. But one thing is for sure, this trade is max about 1 to 2.1 risk to reward. So when we get, or if the trade goes down and hits my TP1 target, then I'm going to have to move my stop loss to just below break even level, and that will be it for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, euro, US dollar, and in my last video from last week, so basically this was where the entry was, Okay, so and yeah, this is where we're at currently. I'm just waiting to see for us to reach TP1, and then from TP1 we can then, if possible, head on to TP2 where I can move my stop loss to break even and all of that. Actually, I think if I hit TP1, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even, then TP2 I'll move it further up. Okay, so somewhere around here. Yeah, so that's for Euro US dollar, and I'm waiting. The trade is also currently active. I'll show you in my prop firm account. So for USD CHF, it's also an active trade already, and just waiting to see how that evolves. Okay, so this is my TP1. This is going to be my TP2. Everything is set. I'm in trade. I'm just waiting for market to do its thing. So when we get to TP1, most likely I'll move my stop loss to break even. Okay, but that's just about it. TP2. So another interesting trade. Remember I said I regretted not entering this trade here. If you watch my last video, you noticed that I said something like that. I was supposed to enter the trade from here, my stop loss here and there, but then we had another opportunity to get in, which we're currently in right now. So I'm just waiting to see how this evolves. Here's my TP1, TP2, TP3. So TP1 I'll do nothing, then TP2, TP3 I'll from TP2 I'll move my stop loss to break even, and yeah, that's just it. So that is some P500 S&P index. So the other trades, so I just about noticed this trade before I started this video, and this is Swiss franc Japanese yen. So I didn't even notice it on Friday, but I can see that this I saw my pattern, okay, basically, and I think just gave me a confirmation that it's time to rock and roll on this trade. So I'm waiting for market to open tomorrow, and I'm going to be in this trade. Here are my set lot and risk, whatever. I risk about 1%. Okay, basically I risk about 1% for each trade setup. So there you go. So I'll be entering this trade tomorrow, and here are my take profits levels. So at TP1 I'll do nothing, then TP2 at TP1 I'll take partials, then TP2 I'll take another partial and move my stop loss to break even, basically. So yeah, that's Swiss franc Japanese yen. Otherwise, USD card, I'm still waiting to enter this trade if the market gives me the opportunity to do so. Yeah. So AED definitely didn't go according to plan, but so I'm just gonna wait. I'm sitting on my hands basically for AED Same thing for AED and yeah, I'm watching this one in particular. Okay, so I'm waiting to see what this is gonna be like. Hoping that we're able to get a confirmation from here, and then we can enter this trade if possible. That's for New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. USD also didn't go as planned. USD has just been everywhere. Okay, like I said, I like to really be patient with this one. Okay, and the market didn't even conform to my projections for USD. So I mean, all I can just do is wait. I'm going to wait it out until I see a clear move, a clear pattern of mine. So yeah. Same thing for JPY. I'm just sitting on the sidelines for now. British pound, US dollar, nothing. And same for this. I don't have anything that looks like my strategy here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. So that's just about it. This is my biggest trade setup, I'm going to say. I'm just waiting to see how this plays out. Market can do anything. Remember, market can reverse and totally take me out. My stop losses are still in place. I'm not moving or touching my stop loss until or unless the market gets to TP2. Okay, but otherwise, my stop loss will remain where they are. So that's just about it, guys. I hope to catch you guys in the next video. Check me on Instagram. I'm very active on Instagram. I make some of these posts on my Instagram at Sane Charts, and then occasionally I make some Twitter posts at Sane Charts. Stay sane. Bye. Show you how my prop firm currently looks like. So this is my phase 1 challenge account, and you can already see the chart for my balance fluctuations. Okay, so here's where we're currently at, just about 0.8% profit. So I still have a long way to go. Here are my open trades. You can see all of my open trades here, and here you can see them, all the ones I talked about earlier in the video. And then here are my closed trades. So you can see some of my closed trades. You can see the date, and just see the statistics for them. Okay, so here are my closed trades. So you can see them, the ones that I won. So here's the loss on Euro JPY that I talked about for trade setup 2. So that's about it. Catch you guys later.